What up, YouTube? And today we're going to check out USA Coins unboxing. Silver Ruffin from Malaysia, and today we're going to do some unboxing US coins. So let's cut these. I got two packages. Let's cut this one first. What we got in here? Nice. We got some US dollar, $1 US. See the eagle? These are 90% silver. Weight's about 26.73 grams. I got another one here. This one is 1983. This is also another Olympic proof coin. And the last one we got here, $1 USA, 1988. And these two we have some dimes. This one is 1930. These are called Mercury dimes. These are 90% silver. Most US coins are 90% silver. This one is a 1936. Okay, let's cut the other package. Inside. Okay. Let's see what we got here. More $1. These are the 90% $1. Yeah, another one here. This is 1995. We got another one here. James Madison, 1993. These are all proof coins, 90%. Got another one here. Look at all those awesome details. And here, I think 1987. And last we got a Morgan. And this one is a rainbow Morgan. See that rainbow? Beautiful. So please subscribe, give me a like, and enjoy the video.